Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to check non-followers on Snapchat. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up the Snapchat application here, and maybe you take a photo or a video and you hit this send to and you share with your public story, so you can see friends, followers and everyone, and I hit share. Now I can tap on my profile picture at the top left here to get into my profile. And if I scroll down, I will be able to see my public story. You might find after posting a public story that there are non-followers on the list of people that have viewed it. You can tap on here, you can swipe up to see everybody that has viewed it. I just posted this, so no one has viewed yet, but it might show non-followers on this list. Unfortunately, Snapchat is a private app. It's meant to be private. With you snap with and who you interact with, the messages all disappear, so you cannot see exactly who those non-followers are. Your best options are, maybe if you are posting a public story, you can write a caption on there that says, hey, if you don't follow me already, send me a follow request or a friend request, so that anybody that sees that is not currently connected with you will be prompted to reach out and start connecting with you. Otherwise than that, you won't be able to see who those people are. Of course, if anyone sees it, if they are your friend or do follow you, then you would be able to see their name right in here, and then of course you can interact with them however you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.